Right. Is that open?
Yeah.
That's closed. That's
You
open.
don't have to be fully open, does
Well,
it?
no, but so it's going to be a case of bang, shove it on.
Well, when we cut that, this will move out of the way. You'll get that bucket upside down. So when water's spraying up,
What I'm going to do, as soon as that's cut, I'm going to bang this on as quickly as possible.
alright,
We're ready.
it's clean.
I've cleaned it, and I'll clean it again. You've got cutters.
Yeah.
It'll be a laugh. Don't try this at home.
Try it in someone else's home.
What you want to do is maybe aim water sort of that way, and then it'll shoot up there and end up in that bucket.
Aye.
You know what I mean? There's no to damage there, is there?
No. There's no damage down here.
No. Are we ready? Make sure. About there, that's it. About there.
There?
Yep. Yay! I love it when a plan comes together. That's fully on, is it?
I don't know, you put it on.
I think you Yeah. Unless I turn it on again and shove it. But better off to turn it on when it's and do it through a tap, won't it? Outside tap.
Yeah, we'll plumb it up first and then turn taps on.
Yeah.
No, I reckon we'll take that out and put some new pipe in. So I'll leave that as it is now.
Yeah.
Yeah.